Welcome to our guide on object relationships within Salesforce. This video will dive deep into the intricate connections that bind different elements within the Salesforce ecosystem. Object relationships are the backbone of how data is structured and linked in Salesforce. Let's set the stage by highlighting our key learning objectives for this session. Define different types of object relationships and their use cases. Demonstrate the creation and modification of both lookup and master detail relationships. So what exactly are object relationships? Consider the example of an account in Salesforce. Within an account, there's a web of connections to various individuals linked to it, like executives or IT managers, stored as contacts. This link between an account and its contacts represents an object relationship. This connection is an example of a standard relationship in Salesforce. But beyond standard relationships, Salesforce allows the creation of custom relationships between objects. The world of object relationships predominantly revolves around two main types: lookup and master detail. Lookup relationships act as a flexible link between objects, enabling you to look up related items from one object to another. It could be a one-to-one or one-to-many relationship. On the other hand, master detail relationships are more rigid, where one object plays the master role, controlling the behaviors of the detail object. For instance, the master object's deletion leads to the deletion of its related details. Understanding the differences between these relationships is key. Lookup relationships usually involve standalone objects with their tabs, while master detail relationships create a dependency where the detail object relies heavily on the master. And there's a third relationship type called a hierarchical relationship, a special kind of lookup, available only on the user object, useful for creating management chains between users. As you add relationships between objects, remember, it increases the complexity of your data model. Take caution when modifying or deleting objects, records, or fields. For more detailed insights on relationship behaviors, check out our additional resources in the description below. Within the event registration settings, now click on the New button to create a new relationship. Select Lookup Relationship as the relationship type and click Next. Choose Account as the object to relate it to. Set the field name Event Manager Account and click Next. Choose the page layouts where you want to display this new lookup field. Click Next. From the Set Field Level Security section, ensure that the field is visible to all profiles by checking the corresponding box. Review your settings and click Next and then Save. Within the event registration settings, click on the New button to create a new relationship with the contact object. Select Master Detail Relationship as the type and click Next. For the related object, choose Contact from the drop-down menu. And set the relationship name as Event Manager. From Set Field Level Security section, ensure that the field is visible to all profiles by checking the corresponding box. Review your settings and click Next, and then Save. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or want to explore this topic further, please feel free to reach out. Have a fantastic day.